Hi there, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties. Excited to show you this listing here, 773 Via del Monte. This is a big street that just comes right up the hill. We're right underneath the famous Vicente Inn. It's right there. And I mean, this is magnificent location to get a huge view in a great spot. So look, we have a drawbridge over there. It takes you into part of the property, but here, this is our front door. Come in, we have a guest room right here. So that's where the drawbridge grows. I call it a drawbridge. But yeah, so you can have your separate guest entrance here. You got a path going down, bottom down over there. Ah, some neat eclectic stuff in here. Look at this bath, awesome. I love this. This is cement with some shells and stuff in it. The slate, it's cute, pretty neat. In the bedroom here with some view. It's a gorgeous day in Palos Verdes. We're so lucky and blessed to live here. I think it's neat use of metal and wood and stone. It's pretty neat.
And they taught me on stuff. Yeah.
Look at these cabinets. This is pretty. This is walnut. Very nicely done. Glass shelving. Come on here. Hi everyone. Ooh, live edge on the countertop. I love it. And then stainless steel. I've never seen that, but that's really cool. Did they take the fireplace out? Was this the one that had?
They did.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that was like right there, right?
It was right here.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, so they did some great remodeling here.
They did, and they added automatic blinds.
Okay. Thank you. And so this is, say hi, Sandra. Hi. Hi. It's our listing agent, Sandra Vista. So look at this. This is where the money is. I mean, you got Redondo, the beach, all the way up from most of Manhattan, all the way through. You can probably see downtown over there, but you're looking straight across to Malibu, which is where the sun sets in the summer. And nice big view here. And a big lot. Look at that. A lot of windows on down there. I think there's a tree there. Maybe not. Yeah, there is. Pretty sure there's a trail down there. Wow, it's really nice how they have the same pattern going through. It's really well done, and I love the vault. It's really clean. It's really clean. So we got another really cool slate bath with rocks and stones and the cement sink. Shell in it. It's a pretty interesting door. It's just a closet, but look what they've done here. This is pretty neat. And this is a formal sitting room in the back. You can do dining here. Depends on how you want to lay it out. And the floor is just cement. So all living on this level here. It's really well done. I like the kitchen too again. Oh, this I didn't notice was this live edge as well. It's cool. All right, let's go downstairs. So I love the floating stairs. Show you what I mean. See it through them. It's cool. Tweed in this room. They have that same cross-stitch pattern. Nice windows. Oh, so this is the screen on the window. Another bathroom of slate. And that tweed door too. An interesting lighting setup. Works.
Hi, Sandy. Haven't seen you in a while.
All right, down at the bottom level, this is the sitting room. And into our master. Wow, it's big. There's a hot tub out here. I mean, the view is the same. No question. This is a big room. Your tub, once again, slate. Giant tub here. Double sink, stone. Nice live edge. And a walk-in closet. Laundry's down here with a secondary fridge. outside to get to an office. So the rest of the property is sloped, going down. And here's the office. I wonder if this is in footage because it's kind of low ceiling. But in any case, pretty neat spot. The market's been absolutely crazy. There's just not a lot of inventory. Things have been happening very fast, and it's an exciting time in real estate. If you're looking for a home, boy, it's pretty complicated, but using a local professional makes it a little bit better. I do have some things coming up. Happy to share. I'm blessed to be here. So if you need more information, give me a call. Otherwise, just make it a great day. It's beautiful out there.